So hello guys, so once again it's my house tour because I just made something super new. So we're gonna start with the second floor because since you know my other one, you already know the down, right? So let's not start with the bathroom. We already know this, but if you didn't know, I changed their bed. So I changed the mom and the kids in Nora's bedroom. The kids' bedroom is in Nora's bedroom, and then the kids' bedroom is for the moms, and the mom and dad's bedroom is for like upstairs, okay, and the third floor, okay. So, have you seen my design? Comment in the comment section if you really like it or not. Hope you like it, guys, because I did hard work for this. For Nora, I had to do a little assignment, so I have to skip Nora's part, but in the next day, I decided to not record, and yep, today I'm recording, so it's like yesterday I did it, okay? And today I just did it, Nora's bedroom, I think, and yep, and then now I'm recording, so yep. So here's Nora's bedroom, and where's her clothes in her dresser, obviously, and all of her other stuff are also in her bedroom. And these stuff were like outside, okay, guys, since you remember. But now I add it inside the her dresser because, like, yeah, we really need one place for something. No, one place for something like, what am I thinking of? Nothing. I'm thinking of nothing. But I'm really thinking of something that I can, but I don't know what I'm thinking. Like, that's so weird. If you really want to think something and you don't know what you're thinking, that's like so weird. So, anyways, I'm just gonna add, like, shelter here. If you have a small shelter, I would rather add it over here. Wait, is this perfect? No, it keeps. So I really want this to be added there. But I can't. I want this there. No. Ugh. Hate that. Really want this. But I can't add it anyway. Nora's bedroom. Like, this one is pretty big, and I could add so many stuff in that, but sorry, I cannot. Imagine if I add Nora's clothes there. It has so many space. Like, yeah, of course. If this would fit in the elevator, then I'm gonna be so happy. But it doesn't. Why is this happening to me? So look at the difference. Like, yeah, look at the difference. It's almost the same. But I'm like, what? Why is it different? And yeah. So in my last video, if I post my last video, then you might already see the bathroom like this, but I really want to re-change or recap it, okay? So recap. So I'm just gonna, okay, so recap, by the way, like recap so fast, like just a torkel of a recap, okay? Like, for example, for recap, okay? So I decided to do this thing. So I decided to add this. A shower. Okay, I decided to add a shower. It has something super cool. has like a dresser, okay? It has like something beside it. I would rather add a trash can beside it because I don't have like, the one where you put the towel thing. I really want that, but no, we're not gonna add a trash can. Something more better. Not this. Yep, this. Where are we gonna add the towel? Oh yeah, this is perfect. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, I messed up really quick. There we go. Now that's what I'm talking about. That jackpot. Okay. Yep. Let's add some shadow. Then where's the Scrubby W thingy? Got it? And where's the Scrubby W? Scrubby W. Okay, that's good. And I hope. Wait a second. Why do we have that? Erase. Excuse me. Why is the CCTV over there? Take out the CCTVs. Can you please just take out the CCTV? So in Nora's room, they have a CCTV. Bump, bump. Never keep my mouth shut. Never keep my mouth shut. Raise. Where is the laptop? What should I get? Comment. Get this and add this over here. Yep. Oh no. I really want to add this. That will fit the whole thing. And I don't want to fit the whole entire thing. So I'm just getting a laptop instead. That's perfect. There we go. Now that's good. And I really hope you love it. Bye!